love of cars and driving intertwined in what I like to call dream car driving. Hey, what's up, Dream Car Driving family? It's your boy Tony Rivera. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, subscribe to the Dream Car Driving family. Like this video, comment down below. Today, we're going to look at another subscriber's car today. If you want your car featured, remember, subscribe first, comment, DM me on Instagram, dream_car_driving on Instagram. Today, we're going to look at a Mercedes-Benz, a small compact executive car created by Daimler AG.
I'm Eric Vizcaya. I want to thank Tony for featuring my car. Got a 2008 Mercedes C300, and there's my ride.
The C-Class was first introduced in 1993 as a replacement for the 190. You have sport, you have class, you have dual exhaust tips, you have leather interior, you have, once again, I will continue to say, you have refinement. You are disengaged from your environment. If you get off of work and all of a sudden you want to just disengage yourself from everything, this Mercedes-Benz is that type of vehicle where you say, you know what, I have to get away from the wife, I have to get away from everyone, and let me just take a drive in this car, because that's the feeling I'm getting. I don't drive Mercedes every day. This is probably one of the first Mercedes that I have driven that I can remember. So you have 228 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. You have 220 pound-feet of torque. Get this, at 2,700 RPM. The C300 truly harkens back to the Mercedes 190, which is a beautiful retro style machine. The C300 definitely shares its characteristics with the 190, but with more attractive curves. There's nothing in this era that looks like it, and that's what's so unique about Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes is one of the brands that lead when it comes to safety and technology. And a beautiful thing about Mercedes, they don't like to patent their technology when it comes to safety, because they think that safety should be had in all makes and models and divisions of companies. So that's pretty exciting and great about the Mercedes brand. Just the cockpit alone has a carbon substrate that will protect you like a pod in the case that you get in a very bad collision. The steering wheel itself is not overly bolstered at the 9 and 3 position. You have all your standard controls that you would fathom or think of that would be in a modern car, even in a car of this era. The C300, if you're looking for sound, you're not going to get sound unless you're going to get an aftermarket exhaust. Once again, you're going to have to look into getting maybe the 6.2 liter V8 right out the factory to have a nice exhaust note. This 2008 does not have paddle shifters, but it does have a slap shift mode. So you can have still a manual type of feeling when you're driving, just in case you get tired of driving and boredom in automatic mode and you want a little bit more excitement in your life. It's not the fastest car that Mercedes offers in the C-Class. You have two other models, the C350, and then you have the C63 AMG. The C350 has a 3.5 liter V6, and then you have the AMG version that has, quote me on this, a 6.2 liter V8 engine producing well over 400 horsepower. Well, this car right here is your everyday car. If you're looking for a nice, classy car that has a nice refinement of luxuriousness and a little dab of sportness, you're gonna really like what you're getting into with the C300. It's not gonna disappoint you whatsoever. And I have to say, this is a nice ride. I'm Tony Rivera, this is Dream Car Driving, and I hope you enjoy your wonderful day, wherever it's at.